Hi, so today I'll show you how you can easily and precisely measure x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So first click your model. Now click on here, the modifiers. Now select the measure and go down. You will see the x dimension is 90.897 centimeters. The Y dimension is 200.218 centimeters and the Z axis is 100.263 centimeters. And you can change the dimension unit from here. So you have to go like customize. Now unit setup. Now you say metric, this is centimeter. You need to change it from here, or you can go to system unit setup and one unit equal to, like, you can choose any of them. uh, yeah, bye.